That was a close one, Adam.
It's Christmas Eve, Speedy. We need to get back to Earth in a hurry so we can see what Santa brings us. I'm hoping for a new telescope. How about you, Zuzu? I'm hoping for a burpy burp.
A what now?
That's a tasty fruit from my home planet.
I'm hoping I can get these Christmas lights working.
Hiya, Shelby.
Urgent message coming through.
Uh-oh. Does an alien race from far away need our help, Shelby?
I will try to tidy the video feed.
Santa!
Greetings, gang. I wish I could say ho, 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 but I'm afraid Christmas is in danger.
Oh, no. What's wrong?
Well, Adam, the northern lights aren't working, and I need the lights to find my reindeer. Ow!
Are you okay, Santa?
I just banged my foot on a rock, and the elves had to give up searching because they kept walking into snowbanks. Ow! That was a tree stump. Oh, Adam, if I don't find my reindeer, I can't fly.
And if you can't fly, you can't deliver your presents.
I don't want to disappoint all the children around the world.
Don't worry, Santa. We'll fix it. We have now entered our solar system. See? The sun. Bubby, you're in the way.
Sorry.
Is it just me, or does the sun appear less bright than it should be? If you turn the wavelength dial, I bet we'll see lots of sunspots. That could have something to do with Santa's problem, Zuzu. Let's investigate! Heat shield up!
Is it some sort of moon?
That's no moon, Bubby.
It's a spaceship. Oh, what's it doing?
Try a different wavelength, Adam. It's sucking up solar flares.
Message coming through. What do you want? Take a hike.
Hi, I'm Adam. Who are you and what are you doing to our sun?
I'm Frizzle, leader of the Frazzlings, and I'm harnessing solar flares to bring back to my homeworld.
Why are you taking our solar flares?
Oh, I'm Frazzler Fizzy. Our sun isn't powerful enough. I thought everyone knew that.
Are all the Frazzlings so rude? Don't you know it's Christmas Eve?
Ah, I've heard of this Christmas stuff. Pah! Who cares? Nobody ever gave me anything for Christmas. Now clear off.
Trying to get Frizzle of Frazzling back, Adam, but she's not answering.
Oops, look at the time, Adam. It's almost Christmas Day, and Santa still needs our help to find his reindeer.
You're right, Speedy. Hey, wait a minute. What's that on the Frazzling ship? Zuzu, those lights look a lot like the aurora back on Earth. You're right, Adam. Solar flares are what cause aurora when they hit the Earth's atmosphere at the North and South poles. So, if Frizzle the Frazzling sucks up all the solar flares, there'll be no northern lights, and Santa will never find his reindeer in time.
Oh, Christmas will be ruined. Oh.
Speedy, I've got an idea.
Jetpack mode?
You read my mind.
Look, Adam. this would appear to be a vent shaft.
It's kind of like a chimney, Speedy. That gives me an idea.
Is that all? Pah! Not even a third full. Oh well, there'll be plenty more suns to suck dry when I'm done here.
Merry Christmas, Frizzle! I wish you happiness and love and a big, big smile!
Message coming through.
Oh, Adam, I'm sorry how I behaved. Thank you so much for your wish. No one ever gave me a Christmas present before. It makes me feel a strange feeling. I think I might be happy?
You're welcome, Frizzle. We can make the universe a better place, one happy thought at a time. Now you can too.
I believe you're right, Adam. I just wish there was something I could do to repay you.
Santa needs our help, Adam.
Oh, Adam, the northern lights aren't working. And I need the lights to find my reindeer.
There is one thing.
Where to, Adam?
The Santa's village.
Ho, ho, ho!
Santa!
Adam, I found all my reindeer, and they're ready to go.
I had lots of help from my friends.
I can't thank you enough.
Maybe you can, Santa. I would like to give everyone in the world a really special Christmas wish from me.
And I could deliver them to everyone around the world. Consider it done. Merry Christmas, Adam.
Yay! I wish you happiness and love and a big, big smile! Merry Christmas, everyone! Bye!
Ho, ho, ho!